Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a new video reaction. I know most of you have seen this man. I don't have not this person. Okay, this person is the owner of the platform I'm playing the video from, but I'm talking about this one here. Okay, don't have the video. I have not downloaded it, but I've watched it severally. There's something I want us to understand from this video. So without wasting much of your time, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Very, very important. And let's go there. Listen to this. Now, this is the part that put him in trouble. That he went to Eagle Square in Abuja demanding for peace. I don't know if it's peace for the northerners of Abuja. I don't know what peace he's demanding in Abuja. That is the point. Meaning that he volunteered himself to work as a willing tool, okay, as an enabler to people that are very, very, very obvious that they're posing danger to the life of our people. This is the thing that made me to react to this video, because many people are doing the same thing today. We heard about Ijere speak. I don't know where he is at the moment. Similar thing has happened, in many, and some people don't want to learn from what happened to other people that have choose to throw in that kind of lifestyle, using yourself as a willing tool, as an instrument to destroy your region. Now, listen, where the whole thing landed him. I know many of you have watched the video, but there's a reason why I'm playing the video. You will soon get to that point. Just watch this. Now, at this point, this is when he was captured by Biafran Defense Forces, and this is what happened. This is the reason why you need to know what you are saying and when you are saying what you want to say. You see the reason? Niani did see gentle. When he was saying those things, recording himself as Odogu Akataka. Is gentle the Megan? That's the question they're asking. What are you doing with the head of a gentle? He don't know what to say. As you can see, he don't even know what to say. Everything when see gentle the Megan, the business is gentle the Nobody asks you what is in your bag. The question is, what do you intend to do with his head? Unfortunately, and that is what lead them to buy him. Instanta. If you watch his body language and his facial expression here, you understand that his spirit is departing already from his body. Let me see if I can take it back a little bit, just a little bit. Then you see his facial expression here. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes here. So his body and his spirit is battling here, even though he was talking, but spiritually he's a gunner. Look at him. Look at his eyes. You see? Now, they decided to buy him from here. You see? At this point, they send him to judgment. So, one of the reasons why I decided to talk about this is because of the post that you are seeing here now from Commander Royce. Royce made a reaction video or a reaction post to the trending video. This thing that this man here, let me bring so you can see his clear picture here. This is him. This man here was not they did not buy him just last week. Okay, I was informed that this thing happened for time ago, so for some time ago, and what he was demanding is head of this commander here. Okay, this commander here, Gentle Lion. This is Gentle Lion. This is the person that he was demanding, wishing or lastly Okeja, I believe that he's gonna submit the head of this young man, this commander here, a very young, vibrant Biafra man. Then the question is, why do you want his head? He said he think. So with that evidence, you just think that he's the problem of Igbo land. And if he's the problem of Igbo land, the best thing to do is to take his life. So, if in his own judgment, Gentle is life taker, a buyer of Biafras, right? So you think that the best way to do is to bring his head to submit to the shrine. And for you to see the contradiction, he said he went to Abuja to seek for peace, and they told him to come and make peace in his own region. And he accepted to make the peace by coming back with a troop of the from Abuja. They started buying people in our land. To him, he was doing a very fantastic job. And deep down his soul, he thinks that Gentle is working, that Nigerian government are using him to destabilize our region. But you went to the Abuja, which is the head office of the people that you claim that this man is working with. Gentle is working with. So if Gentle is working for Nigerian government and you want to buy him to stop him, first of all, you claim that you have identified those that he's working with. Then who are you now working with? These same people. You see the delusion, the madness in the whole thing. Now, it did not end there. Okay? The person that made the post, like I said, is Royce. Royce said to those Igbo who think they are playing smart in what we are doing. Rest in peace will always be your final destination. This this dead idiot was busy bragging, assuring the zoo that he is gonna present the head of my beloved son, Commander Gentle the Yahoo, to the zoo headquarters. It looks like his own head has been used for ransom. Those who think, listen, those who think we are joking must rethink. All of those talking bull crap on media because they are in diaspora. I feel sorry for you all. And for Biafran, that is this person, which is Obi Nozaganobi. Okay? It is now your turn. I am gonna run. I'm gonna run a check, a check. Then do this needful. I don't want for fun. Let's see how it goes. So this is the part that made me to write. No, it's not that I did not see the video before. This is the part that made me to write on this video now. Honestly speaking, I don't know that the European also going to be Twitter handle is this. It is now that I am getting the point. All right. I only know that he threatened the life of a Biafran. Now, it is good to respond to criticism, but not to lay death threats on a Biafran that you are protecting. That is where I am confused about the whole thing. And it not ended. He said those in diaspora, okay, on media. So it has gotten to the point that you don't talk and you don't share your opinion. If you do, your life will be threatened. My question is, are we actually looking for Biafra that will be Nigerian 2.0 or a total different country with equality, with rule of law, respect, freedom of speech, and everything that people are in other countries, decent countries of the world are enjoying? Or are we here trying to pretend that we are what we are not, that we are fighting for Biafra, whereas the truth of the matter is to beautify a section of group and make them to look like they are the mini god? I don't understand. And the rush is not. This is not the first time people from Ogenkere camp are threatening Biafrans non-stop. It's not as if they don't threaten Biafrans. So they threaten Biafrans for fun. And he said it's not for fun. Yes, it's not for fun on your own time, because you actually threatened and you carried it out by sending people to judgment. But it's unfair. Where do you think that will lead us to? I'm just asking. Where do you think it will lead us to? What this man did is very, very wrong, because he did not only threat, but he actually put the action in place, and that is why they ended his life. But my concern is threatening people non-stop, like what you have done here. To me, is no. Is a no. I don't think it's the right thing to do. I'm not here to correct anybody, because people that not everybody that buy deserve to buy. So it is very clear, because anybody that says something that you don't like, you can also order people to go and buy the people. That's what the message is all about. And I wish that kind of thing will stop. Like this person said here, read this. You killed your brother because he is preaching peace in his community, and you are justifying it here. God Almighty is watching you people and must surely judge you guys for all these atrocities you guys are committing against innocent people in the Southeast. No, you are wrong. If the person is bringing people who actually buy people for fun, in the name of peace is a no-no. So I don't buy the idea of what this comment says. My own is the people who did not even connive with army or police to work in our region, but what they said, maybe the criticism on the activities of some people on social media, therefore you are putting their life in danger. To me is uncalled for. That is my own take. But anyone that has have contract with Nigerian government to buy, fellow Biafrans, I mean that is, I don't know. You know what that means. It's not good at all. You can do better. You can do better. Anyway, my people, please, I just want to write on this quick reaction video, and please, before you go, I want to like on this video and tell me what you think about it. What's your take on this? Because it is a no-no for me. I don't like it. God bless you. I'll see you again. Bye bye for now.